Hello, we're going to do a little walk around demonstration on this 2008 Toyota Sienna. This one has the BraunAbility side entry conversion. Overall vehicle's in good shape. I'll notate any items as I come across them. Maybe one or two little chips here on the front bumper. Got a little bit of hazing on the headlight there. Overall vehicle's in great shape. It's got good tires on it. Beautiful condition for its age and miles. It actually does have low miles for its year as well. Little scrape there on the bumper. Little tiny dent there. This one does have an addition of a backup camera that I'll show you the screen for here. That didn't come standard in the 2008 model. This is an LE, so I'll also show you some of the features, but let's get to how this works. So with the vehicle unlocked, you give a good press and hold on the power side door button there on the passenger side. That'll have the door open, then it'll start kneeling down, and then the ramp comes out. So that kneel system compresses this rear shock that we have a nice low ramp angle. Important for manual chair users. And as you get into the vehicle, the mid row has been removed. You still have that third row intact. And then the two seats up front here. Do have some wear and tear on the interior here from use. The person who owned this vehicle was the driver from their wheelchair. This power transfer seat moves forward and backwards, up and down, and it swivels around. And then this passenger side has the original removable base that was added by BraunAbility. It's got a full lowered floor. And we do have a power door on this side as well, and it's been fully lowered. On some of these, when they do the lowered floor conversion, they only do 3/4. This is the full cut. You can operate the door ramp system either with the key, the interior buttons here, or they added an additional button here for the Braun conversion. That'll do everything of closing the ramp and the door. And it brings the vehicle back up to the regular ride height by releasing that kneel feature. Power door again on this side. This vehicle does have the manual hand controls still intact. If you don't need them, we could remove them as a courtesy, of course, but some people need them, so we kept them in. Vehicle starts up, drives very well. Here's that backup camera screen there. So a nice added feature that the previous owner had added since they were driving themselves around. Very smooth running, 3.3 liter 6-cylinder engine. Newer Toyota battery. This vehicle was owned by a person that drove themselves around, so they kept it in top-notch shape. They just upgraded to one of our newer vehicles, so that's why they traded into us. Wheelchair restraint straps there, spare tire here, and then whenever you see this bracketry here, that means it does have a power lift gate, so you can either use the key, or if you start pulling down on that tailgate, it'll actually close. So overall, vehicle's in great shape, ready to go. Lots of options. Let us know if it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching.